Hi everyone, welcome to today's tips and tricks video. My name's Valerie, I'm an Evolve 365 learning strategist at Planet Technologies. Today, I'll show you how to customize your tabs to stay productive and organized while switching from task to task throughout your day. Tab grouping and vertical tabs are the perfect way to keep everything important all in one place and hidden until you need them. So let's take a look. So here's a typical workday for me, lots of tabs open and things going on. So let's organize these. Go up to the top corner to the Tab Actions menu, click on Organize Tabs, and it's going to automatically decide how to group your tabs. You can go in here and edit the name of each group if you need it named differently, and you can also color code this differently as well. You can move things around if you don't like how it organized them, but we can do this after as well. Go ahead and give it feedback. That's always helpful. So let's group these. You'll see the color goes across the top to show me what's in this group, and I can open and close these as needed. You can still right click and change the name here, and of course change the color again. You can move these around and drag them from one group to another, or you can right click and you can add it that way, or just add a new group altogether, of course. All right, so let's collapse these. And the second thing I want to show you is going back to this menu. You can turn on vertical tabs for a cleaner view. Your favorites are now at the top, and now your tabs are over here. That isn't going to stay open unless you pin it. You can still do some editing of your groups here, and you can still open and close them as needed, add new tabs, whatever you need to do. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you today. I hope this was a helpful tip, and I hope to see you back here soon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.